Gujarat BJP MLA on Sunday drew flack after a video went viral in which he is purportedly seen filling a syringe with remdesivir injection to be delivered to a COVID-19 patient at a community COVID care center in Sarthana in Gujarat, Surat. In the viral video, VD Zalwadia, who represents Kamrej Assembly constituency in Gujarat, Surat, is seen filling a syringe with a vial of remdesivir. He then transfers it to a drip bottle which is to be administered to a COVID-19 patient. The COVID care center is run by VD Zalwadia himself. Defending his action, Zalwadia said that he did not administer the dose to any patient but only transferred the remdesivir injection to the drip bottle. However, critics questioned the action of BJP MLA as he is just 5th standard pass. Hitting back at Congress party, VD Zalwadia said that Congress has nothing better to do than create controversy and criticize good works done by others. The BJP MLA also said that his party workers have been helping COVID patients, which the Congress is opposing.
હાલ જ ને પેલા બે એમ જ કર્યા ના ના લાજ નહીં મારે
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.